Hey, glad you're here. If you've been dealing with power outages, getting ready for storm season, or just want reliable power for your next trip or job site, you're in the right place. At the trade table, we make it easier to get the most out of your gear, starting with your portable generator. In this video, we'll walk you through how to set it up, run it safely, and keep it ready for anything. First-time user or just brushing up, this guide is for you. Let's jump in. Before we get started, here's what you'll need. Portable generator, gas, propane, or solar generator extension cords, gas can for fuel-powered models. Fuel, gasoline, propane, or diesel. Grounding rod and wire if required by your model. Heavy-duty outdoor extension cords. Carbon monoxide detector for fuel-powered models. Step 1. Determine your power needs. Start by figuring out how much power you actually need. Check the wattage on your appliances or devices. Add up the running watts and surge watts. Make sure your generator can handle the total load. Tip: choose a generator with at least 20% more capacity than your total needs to give yourself a buffer. Step 2. Place your generator safely. Location matters for safety and performance. Gas and propane generators must be used outdoors, at least 20 feet from doors, windows, or vents. Solar generators are safe for indoor use, but keep them away from heat sources. Place the generator on a flat, stable surface. If it's raining or snowing, use a weatherproof tent or cover that allows for ventilation. Important: never run a gas or propane generator indoors. Carbon monoxide is deadly and cannot be detected without a proper CO detector. Step 3. Connecting devices and power cords. Always use heavy-duty, outdoor-rated extension cords. Run cords through a window or door, but never plug your generator directly into a wall outlet. That can cause backfeeding and seriously endanger utility workers. If you want to connect to your home's panel, install a transfer switch tip. Your generator's manual will have specific instructions. Always double-check it before plugging in. Step 4. Starting the generator for gas-powered generators. Make sure the fuel tank is full. Turn the fuel valve to on, set the choke to start if needed. Turn the ignition switch to on, pull the recoil starter or press the electric start button. Let it run for a few minutes before plugging anything in. For solar generators, press the power button or flip the switch. Check the battery levels and charging status. Adjust settings for each outlet if your model allows. Never refuel a running or hot generator. Let it cool completely before adding fuel to avoid fire hazards. Step 5. Plugging in appliances. Start by plugging in large appliances like refrigerators or heaters. Wait a few seconds before adding smaller electronics like phones or lights. Make sure you stay under the generator's total wattage limit. Tip: some solar generators let you plug devices directly into built-in outlets for convenience. Step 6. Refueling and recharging for gas or propane models. Turn off and unplug everything before refueling. Let the generator cool down. Store fuel in approved containers and away from the generator for solar generators. Recharge using solar panels in full sunlight. Use AC charging indoors if available for faster results. Generator safety tips. Use a surge protector to prevent damage to your devices. Turn off the generator before adding fuel. Keep kids and pets away from operating units. Test your generator regularly, so it is always ready when you need it. That's everything you need to know to use your portable generator safely and efficiently. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and gear breakdowns from the trade table. Got questions or want us to cover something specific? Drop a comment below. And if you are shopping for a generator or other home improvement gear, head over to thetradetable.com. We have what you need to stay powered up and prepared. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.